J. Cole, man. I don't know if people wanted to hear like all this like potential braggadocious dishes that he's gonna be doing.
Ferrari, a lamb truck, switching wide lanes, top down. I remember when it was rapping, a ball playing. Now the bread and butter is yapping and parlaying. Oh man, you're next to two skills, either dick riding or hating. Just look around, the hating and the dick riding.
I want to hear everything I said. I want to hear the dissing.
Personally, I don't write comments, I write commas, withdrawals from pictures to pen. I hate the rapper like I'm Charleston White. Give all the writers to authors, it's hard to crumbs. Dumb niggas sold they sold illusion. Universal distribution.
Talking about Drake? They sold illusion? I be talking about Drake?
The Mike Vick, your dog might get shot for losing. And I don't like those Hellbat. My dog in heaven pushing Hellcats would tell you from the beginning. I wonder how could I dodge it.
That's an 8 out of 10. Jermaine Cole J. Cole.